Major D.P. Singh lost his right leg in an explosion during Operation Vijay in Kargil in 1999. But he did not let it slow him down. He started running on a prosthetic leg in 2009. In the last few years, he has been a regular participant in marathon races and has inspired many like him to take up the sport. Last Sunday, he was in Bengaluru with 2 other amputees to run in the TCS World 10K.
Way back in 1999 when the Operation Vijay Kargil war was on, I was deployed on line of control, and across LC operation used to be a normal affair. So it is during one of such operations that one bomb, a mortar bomb which landed next to me, it was like 1.5 meters away from me, and all the shrapnels of that bomb came on my body. Some cut me through, some are still there inside the body, and that is how I went into the it was like a fountain of blood. From there I was evacuated to the battalion headquarters by 4 of my men. Without bothering about their own life, they picked me up on stretcher and cross over the river stream. But by the time I reached there, I was like gone. So the doctor received me there and he declared that he is dead. By luck that day one senior officer, senior medical professional, anesthetic was there on a special visit to that small hospital. Otherwise I would have not been here sitting in front of you. So after 3 days, because of the gangrene in my right leg, the leg got infected, and gangrene does not have any solution but to chop it off. So that is how the leg got, it was amputated from the knee onwards. Perception towards the people with disability was more of the sympathetic type of a. So nobody on ground was available to give them answer ki don't do any disparity between ability and disability and all that stuff. So I chose to go on ground and pick up an event which supposed to be a most difficult event for anybody who doesn't have a leg, because doing a half marathon 21 kilometers without leg is something which people feel is little difficult, or maybe much more difficult. So I thought, if I am able to do this, I don't have to answer them in any words. My action will speak, and that is what has happened. I myself have completed around 14 half marathons, and my best timing was 2 hours 10 minutes. From 3 hours 44 to 2 hours 10 minutes I could stretch it. And by now on this challenging one group there are around 750 amputees connected from all across India. Out of those, around 80 have already finished, including for both of them it was the first run. Like that, 80 have already finished their participation in events like ProCam organizes in Delhi, Mumbai and Bangalore. So what D.P. Singh was there alone in 2009, as of today there are many more who are on the street, running along the people, beside the people, and even better than people. The first blade was given to me by Army in 2011. So 2011, any blade came to India, and Indian Army gave me that blade, and I ran my first blade run. So this blade I got in 2013 because the first blade was made in India, and the type of facilities were not so available because no user was there. So I used to get injured. In each run I used to get injured badly, in a way that my skin used to get peel off, and then post run for about 15 odd days I used to be in bandages. But I still used to carry on to find the answer that how can I do away with the injuries. Or 2012 rather, somebody saw a video of mine, somebody by the name of Kevin Carroll. He is the best prosthetic as of today in the world. He is based out of US, and he saw my video and he personally invited me to come to US for a process which he can give to me. and that is when the power of runners, came into the picture, because I went to the runners, and Procam supported me for that, to spread the word that I am going to the US. I need support, financial support for my to and fro journey to the US. That runners from all across the country and even from outside, came forward and supported me wholeheartedly, and that is how I got this processes. And 2013 onwards I am running on this, and God was kind that the injuries have drastically come down. It's once in a while some all scratch does happen, but that's how I got this limb. Have you seen a drill boot with which army used to do drill earlier, with a lot of nails and iron parts below on the sole? It is very heavy and solid boot, and if you wear that boot, and imagine it is loose a bit, it's not totally intact, and if you are running with that, so it's somewhat similar to that. So imagine doing something like that, or you tie 2-3 bricks on your leg and run. So it is somewhat similar to that. In 2009 I did my first half marathon, Airtel Delhi half marathon, with this type of a leg only, and it was more of a hop run. It took me 3 hours 44 minutes to complete that run, and post that running became a habit, and my fourth run was with a blade, and in 2011. So from there, the different journey started. People started calling me Blade Runner, and I initiated this group in 2011 itself, after my first Blade Run, the challenging one, which is for the amputees, and we prefer to call ourselves challengers, not physically challenged, because like today again, Sajan and Sunil proved that it is all in the mind, So there are many people who can't even go for 5 km in spite having their all 4 intact limbs.
When I was 7-year-old kid, I met with a road accident. So it was a truck which hit me, and I just lost it. It was above knee amputation. Since then, it was too early for me to accept this. So I've been just living a normal life as others. So I haven't found any difference, and in fact, I had reserved myself. So with Major Singh's help, I have come out today, and in fact, this is the first time I've worn shorts. I'm showing off my, the prosthetics. So this is something which I've done, and I've walked in a marathon. So it's a great feeling for me.